Do you only have a PDF file of your important document and you are in immediate need to edit this document and you have no means to do it? Don't worry, I've got an easy fix for you. Just go to the internet and search for the online PDF editor. Scroll down to find the link of Canva website. Open this site and upload your document here. After it is uploaded, click here to add the text and arrange the text wherever you want to edit. Change the text and after you are satisfied with the document or the results, save the document and check it. And that's all you need to do to edit your document. I told you it was going to be easy. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel and tell me in comments, does this video helped you?